Hello, I'm Torby, aka the man for an orgy. Catholic, but a fruit for an orangey. Won't bore ye, some fella tried to extort me. Told him suck S, give him a couple of sornies. Where to get my guds, knew you couldn't afford these. Swear on my life and I tell no porkies. You can face nice since I went before ye. Here between us, get more lads than a 4Gs. For a fuck bit of Ho Chi Minge, I can eat while you plait my fringe. And tell you one good hing, I'm fond of a Catholic binge. Sorry father, I can't count my sins. Now why's your jeans going? Go or the ghúna, go or the ghúine. Tarraing siar ghúna, Tarraing siar ghúna. Cad é de chreideamh, cad é de chreideamh. Maybe I can aid you, maybe I can aid you. Dear sister, I just got a call from your mister. Wants to pop cherries, make me wet like a blister. Let him push my buttons, flush me out like a cistern. Takes a lot more than that, better do it till your wrist burn. Mouth full of green, I've been eating my broccoli. When I move on the gee, all the birds will be flocking me. Suck on the dick, happily, happily. Only get it done strap if you're cocking me, clocking me. Father, I apologize if I'm very sultry. Got something for your supper if you wanna lunch me. Once in a lifetime trip on Faoistin and Gumtree. You can see the Eiffel Tower like they do in Paris. Go or the ghúna, go or the ghúine. Tarraing siar ghúna, Tarraing siar ghúna. Cad é de chreideamh, cad é de chreideamh. Maybe I can aid you, maybe I can aid you. Come winja, nes inte swincha, na bilunja. Osa skunja, sinja sa wulja. Instead the easting to my hasting. Nor while at sneezing, I'll have you sneezing easy breezy. Cause I love freezing. Shop for root, that's a cognac too. I heard Cuggerlum wanna roll part 2. Eat us in my home while I watch cartoons. Tour focus, bunch of ditch in my porch stew. When he miss a pleasure, do you can nu less closage. I'm she has a close kid, Marielle or the cruise pig. Skillwoods the easting and nish or the ghlúine. Moon or the vreesting and nish.